If you're choosing between IG and Trading 212, this isn't just broker versus broker. It's professional trading tools versus beginner-friendly investing. So which broker is actually better? Let's break it down. IG Group has been around for decades and is considered one of the biggest names in online trading. It offers CFDs, Forex, indices, commodities, options, and direct share dealing with advanced charting and professional-grade tools. For active traders, IG gives you far more market access and trading depth than most beginner brokers. But here's the catch. The platform can feel overwhelming for new investors, and fees on some products are higher compared to commission-free apps. Trading 212 takes the opposite approach. It focuses on simplicity, commission-free investing, and an easy mobile experience. That's why it became extremely popular with beginners and long-term investors who mainly buy stocks and ETFs. The downside is that advanced trading tools, professional analytics, and market depth are much more limited compared to IG. So the real difference is this. IG is built for serious trading, while Trading 212 is built for simple investing and accessibility. So which broker is better? Choose IG Group if you want advanced trading tools, more markets, and professional-level features. Choose Trading 212 if you want simple commission-free investing with an easy user experience. Bottom line, IG is the better platform for active traders and experienced users because it offers deeper tools, stronger analytics, and broader market access. But for beginners and long-term investors who just want to buy stocks and ETFs easily, Trading 212 is often a more practical and affordable choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.